Friday, June 28th. Bear Bear's eating Din Din.
Bear Bear's eating.
Oh my gosh, look at you.
Ready, Bear Bears? Bear Bears. Stop hamming. Yeah. Go ahead. Oh, chewing for the camera.
He likes his dinner time now.
Ah. 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 Let's wash it down. Let's wash that down. Let's wash it down.
Poppy.
Don't wipe your face yet, because we're not done. Yeah, I know. That's what I said. Don't wipe your face yet, because we're not done. We're not. Oh, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Good. Good boy. That's my boy.
Bear's eating his organic rice cereal. Yummy.
Wish I could eat that.
Do you? I'll make you some for dinner.
No, I'm okay.
No?
I'll spit that out. Come on. Come on. Alright, you want a little bottle to wash it down? Alright. Settle down.
He like arches back.
There we go.
And he squiggles and wiggles and squirmies.
He's sleepy. His eyes are rolling back.
That doesn't mean you stop beating him. Bear?
Look at this, kid. Look at this.
Alright, that's good. He will fall asleep if he eats too much of that. Oh, stop. Go sit down.
He
Ollie?
said-
Wubbies.
He said,